Hey Tribe Beauties, we about to make this press-on set. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to buff the nails, because what you want to do is you want to get the shine off to hold the gel polish better. So you just want to buff the nails. Okay, then I'm finna just wipe them off with the alcohol wipe. I got these from Dollar Tree for $1, or you can get them from Amazon. But this is when you want to dehydrate the nail, just getting all the dust off from the buffer. Okay, now we finna apply the base coat. This also holds the gel polish to the nail better. And now I'm just showing y'all how I look out the box. This is the Beetles brand. I got it from Amazon. I like Beetles brand the best. I have had Model 1s, and they're pretty good too, but I just prefer Beetles, and it's from Amazon. But you can use whatever base coat you want to use, whatever suits y'all. Oh, and y'all, don't use too much, but use enough. You don't want to use too much base coat, but you want to use the right amount. Then you want to pop them on in your UV lamp. I usually do 60 to 90 seconds just to make sure. Sometimes I do 90 to 120. It just depends how long the nails are. And then while the other one is drying, I'm doing the exact same thing, just applying the base coat to the other set of nails. Okay, so after the nails dried and everything, it's time for the gel polish. I use the Beetles brand for the polish as well. I got this also off Amazon, and y'all can use whatever color y'all want, whatever brand, but my daughter wanted orange in this case. I actually made these when she was turning 18. So these were her birthday nails. Ow. Oh, and I sped it up because I know y'all ain't want to see me just polish each nail slowly, so I had to speed it up for y'all. And this the part you don't want to forget. Add some polish to the tips. Y'all see me adding the polish to the tips. I didn't add it to 2 of the nails because they stiletto. She wanted the square tips, and then 2 of them are stiletto, so I didn't do the tips for those because it's no need. It's stiletto. Okay, wait, I lied. They're not square tips. They coffin ballerina actually. So my bad, y'all. Okay, after 90 to 120 seconds under the lamp, they dry. So now I'm about to add the foil art glue because I'm going to do a little bit of, just a teeny bit of art on the top of her nails. And you don't want to put too much of this either because it's real thick, but you want to put enough. Then you want to throw them back up under the lamp for about 90 seconds to make sure they dry. Now I'm showing y'all the rhinestone glue that I used because I'm finna put some rhinestones on the nails. I don't know why I ain't show y'all the part where I applied the foil art. If you can see it, is little white like flowers like. I don't know why that part ain't recorded. I think it deleted on accident, but later on in the video y'all will see it. This rhinestone glue is real thick, so you don't even need to use that much for real, but you want to use enough. And then you just want to thin it out with your brush. Now I'm just using my wax pen or rhinestone picker, and you want to apply the rhinestones. It's real easy to pick up the rhinestones with this wax pen too. And right here I'm just using the other side of the wax pen to move the rhinestones around because they do be sliding from the rhinestone glue. But yeah, that's the side that you pick up the rhinestones with, and then you just apply your rhinestones, and as they slide, like I said, you just flip it over to the other side of the rhinestone pen and just push them back to where you want them to go. And my daughter, she didn't want too many rhinestones on her nails this time, so I ain't put that many. You'll see how many I put. Just a few, but I'm gonna show you in a minute. And now we finna pop them back in the lamp so they can dry. And I think I did about 90 to 120 seconds under the lamp. There it go, the part that had deleted. I don't know why I did that, but anyway, this is me applying the foil art, and the tool that I'm using is just a cuticle pusher. But y'all, for real, I be using my finger too, because that help hold it better, see? Oh, and before I actually apply the foil art, no lie, I be letting it sit for at least like 5 to 8 seconds before after it come out the lamp before I just go ahead and apply it. So yeah, now I'm just applying a nice amount of top coat to each nail. Not too much, not too little, but enough. As usual, and I'm gonna apply it to each nail and let it sit up under the lamp. I think I did for them about 90 to 120 seconds under the lamp too. All right, now I'm putting the letters on that I use. Like I said, this was for 18, so I put 18 on her nails. Listen, I don't know why. If you notice back in the background, I don't know how the video did this. My bad, y'all. But it already got the daggone charms up there, which is going to show later on in the video, the charms I used too. But this me putting the 18 on her nails, and I'm using just a regular set of tweezers that I got from like a local. No, you know what? I'm lying. I think my mama gave me these. Matter of fact. But yeah, so I just use the tweezers to pull them off the sheet and then to place them on the nails. And I'm just making sure that they side by side are lined up so that they won't be crooked. So yeah, and this me just replacing it because it wasn't obviously lined up right. So yeah, and sometimes this part be annoying, but you know, I had to do it. But you gotta have a steady hand, I'm telling you, and I barely got that because I'm getting older, y'all. But then once I finally get it, then I'm finna move on to placing her little Versace stickers that she wanted. I definitely got these from a local beauty store. See, I don't know why it ain't show that part where I put the charms, but it's finna show that soon. But yeah, see, I put her name on the nails. That's the letters I used. My daughter's name is Ayla, so I put Ayla on her thumb. That's on the thumbnail. And then I put the Versace stickers up there. I don't know why they showed me actually placing the Versace stickers. I think it's because them jokes was trifling. They was acting crazy. But yeah, this is what it looked like after I'm done placing everything. Okay, and I didn't get to show me placing my Libra charms, but you use that rhinestone glue that I showed y'all earlier, and you just use a little bit of that. Not too much. You thin it out with your brush, and then you want to set the charm on top where you want it to go on top of the rhinestone glue. And then you just put it on the lamp for about 90 to 120. And if y'all notice, I got Ayla name on the thumb, Versace on the index. The Libra charm is on her middle. And then just 18 is on her ring finger. And then the pinky nail, she just got some rhinestones and a little nail foil art. And the index and the pinky is the stiletto. And then all the other fingers are coffin ballerina for the shape. No lie though, those Versace stickers, they gave me hell, for real. And I think that's why the video cut out, like I was saying though, because I think I had to keep picking them up and placing different ones because I was ripping them, no lie. So yeah, but this me just putting a top coat on each nail, and then I'm gonna pop it back under the lamp I usually do 90 to 120 just because I want to make sure they completely dry before I place them on my nail cards. So yeah, this is them after they're done and dry. Everything is dry. She got everything she wanted. Her name. She like Versace. Libra's her sign. And she turned 18. Hey. Okay, so y'all, I'm about to be extra and do the whole close up and back up ordeal. But yeah. So after they dry and finish, I take them off the nail stand and I do slightly etch the bottom of them. Only the part that goes over your nail bed because it helps adhere the set to your real nails better. So you just want to take an E-file and slightly etch them. My bad, y'all, not under the bottom. I don't want to confuse nobody. You etch underneath where the nail bed, where you're going to place them on your nail bed at. And if you don't have no E-file, just use a regular file. I will show that in another video how you etch up underneath the nails. But this is them after I place them on the nail card. They looking all cute. They got my information up there, my Instagram and my little site. Well, one of my sites anyway. But that's just me showing where I had said about etching underneath the nails. And this is just a quick little ending part that show little snippets from the whole video. And see, that's when they shiny before I prep them or buff them. You don't want to have that shine up there, y'all. And this is after prepping and buffing them to get that shine off so that the polish can adhere to the nail better and hold better. And then I'm finna show y'all how they look after about 2 to 3 gel polish coats and after they completely dry. And again, this is coffin ballerina shape and then 2 are stiletto shape. And then these are letters and the numbers that I use for her nails. I got them off Amazon. These are rhinestones. And same, I got these off of Amazon too. Everything off Amazon. That's the wax pen or the rhinestone picker. My cuticle pusher, I got that from my little local dollar store. And that's the nail for art, Amazon. The rhinestone glue and brushes, Amazon again. And that is the Beatles rhinestone glue. Nail for art, again, Beatles brand. I do use some other brands too. And then here go the zodiac charms that I use. And in my case, my oldest, she a Libra, so yeah. All right, tribe. Till next time, I'll see y'all later. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and join the tribe.